Preview. Windows 11 desktop in Windows 10. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link. Now download the Taskbar X from here. Navigate to the second link and download the wallpaper from here. This is a customized Windows 11 wallpaper. Now, go to the third link and download the Rainmeter. Navigate towards the fourth link and download WinStep Nexus Dock from this website. Now, navigate to the last link and download this Windows 11 Google Drive file. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Now this Rainmeter has some default skins, so you have to unload all of them. Right-click on the desktop and hide all the icons from your desktop. Now we have to extract all of the 3 files presented here. So, extract all of them one by one. Now, delete all of these. Right-click on your wallpaper and set this as your desktop background. Now open the Taskbar X folder. Scroll down and click on Taskbar X, this blue icon. This will middle your taskbar icons. Now open the Taskbar X configurator. Select Transparent Gradient from here. Now set all of these as shown here in the video. Now click on Apply and your taskbar will become bluish like the wallpaper. Again navigate toward the Downloads folder and open the Windows 11 theme folder. Now you have to copy both of these files. Go to the Documents, then Rainmeter, Skins folder and then paste it here. Now go to the Windows 11 theme folder again, copy this Dock Icons folder. This time go to the local disk C and paste it here. Go to the Downloads folder and open the Nexus Dock. Now install the Nexus Dock as shown. Click on Nexus, now go to Advanced, then Restore. Now browse to the local disk C. Open the Dock Icons folder. Now select this WS backup file and click on Apply. Now we have the layout of the dock and we have to put the icons in it, so right-click on the icon, go to Properties, then Change Icon, and now browse to local disk C, Dock Files, Dock Icons. Now select the icon from here. Now I have changed all the icons, so it's looking pretty good. Now go to the tray icons and open the Rainmeter from here. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins shown in video. Set these skins in the middle as shown. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.